Hello friends, in the present video we will understand what is cost, costing and cost accounting as well as its definitions even, right? So these three concepts are very important as far as the cost accounting is concerned, right? So we'll further proceed and we will understand what is cost first. So what is cost? According to ICMA Learner, the amount of expenditure, actual or notional, incurred on or attributable to a given thing is called as cost. And further, the cost can be referred to as something that must be sacrificed to obtain or to make or to manufacture a particular thing, product, or service. In the sense, what it cost is refers to the summation of total expenditure. The most significant is either it may be an actual expenditure or notional expenditure. What is notional expenditure? I'll precisely tell you. Notional expenditure is refers to an expenditure. I'll give an example. Suppose you have your own building where manufacturing process is taking place. For that, you need not to pay rent, but you will charge the depreciation of that building, right? So this is notional asset, notional cost, right? So at the same time, depreciation of any other assets or interest on capital you can call. So these are the expenditures called as notional expenditure, not actual in the nature, but which will have an impact, right? In ascertaining the total cost, these two will be considered, that is actual and notional. So here the cost is refers to the total amount of expenditure on making a product or attributable to the product is called as cost, right? So I hope I made you understand what is cost here refers to, right? Then we will take up costing. What is costing? Here costing is refers to the technique and the process of ascertaining the cost. And in the words of one more author, costing is the classification, that is classifying, recording, appropriate allocation of expenditure for the determination of cost of a product or service, and as well as for presentation of suitably arranged data for the purpose of control and guidance of the management. In the sense, what here, what we are understanding through costing, that is the process how to ascertain the cost, right? In the sense, it consists of principles and rules for ascertaining the cost. What are the rules and regulations and the principles we apply for ascertaining the cost? As well as the second author even suggests that the classification, recording and appropriate allocation of expenditure for the determination of the cost. So the basic objective of costing is to determine the cost, how much expenditure, right, for making a product or providing a service, which includes principles, rules, and regulations. Right? So this is called as costing. Now the third one is cost accounting. When you talk about the cost accounting, the process of accounting from cost cost from the point at which the expenditure is incurred or committed to establishment of its ultimate relationship with the cost center and cost unit. In the sense, what it is the process from where we will start calculating the cost from the beginning till its end. So all that inclusive of cost accounting. And we'll take up one more definition. Cost accounting is set of procedures for determining the cost of product and various activities involved in its manufacture and sale. In the sense, what the cost accounting starts from the beginning of the making a product as providing a service till the collection, till it's sold off. So till it's sold off, whatever the expenditure incurred, that comes under the cost accounting category, and it will be considered in cost accounting. And for planning and measuring performance. The measurement of performance is one of the features of cost accounting. So performance measurement will take place. In the sense, what cost accounting precisely, we can say the ascertaining the cost from the beginning till the product is sold off, till the service is sold off, right? And here also the classification and determination, all those processes will take place. So I hope I made you understand the entire crux of the cost, costing and cost accounting. These are the very important three concepts which you will generally find in the examination theory questions. So now you can easily present the answer, right? If it is given, if you find the question in the paper, as well as this is more important for the conceptual wise, right? So thank you very much. I hope I made you understand this concept. So thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe my channel, Mentor the Trusted Guide, and motivate me to make more qualitative videos. Thank you.